Imagine someone hands you a grocery list written as one long sentence: eggs, comma, milk, comma, bread, comma, butter. You need to work with each item individually, but right now it's just one big chunk of text. That's exactly the problem Split solves. Split is a built-in JavaScript method that takes a string and turns it into an array. You just tell it what character to cut at, and it does the rest. Here's the simplest example. You have a string of ingredients separated by commas. Pass a comma into Split, and it slices the string at every comma, turning it into a clean array of individual ingredients. One line of code, done. The same idea works with spaces. Take any sentence and split it by a space, and you get an array of individual words. This is useful anytime you need to analyze, count, or work with each word on its own. And it's not just commas and spaces. Any character can be your delimiter. Say you have a list of team members stored as a single string, each name separated by a semicolon. Pass a semicolon into Split, and you get each member as its own item in an array. A really practical use case is dates. Dates are often stored as text in a format like YYYY-MM-DD. Split at the dash, and suddenly you have the year, month, and day as three separate values you can actually work with individually. So to summarize, Split turns a string into an array by cutting at whatever character you choose. Comma, space, dash, semicolon. It works with anything. Anytime you have data packed into a single string and need to break it apart, Split is your tool. One string in, clean array out.